Hello guys, welcome back. Looking for the top 5 best drones in 2025? Whether you're a professional filmmaker, a photography enthusiast, or just love flying drones, we've got you covered. Here are the best drones offering cutting-edge technology, exceptional camera quality, and intelligent flight features for an unparalleled aerial experience. For more information, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. And let's get started. Number 5. DJI Mavic 3 Pro. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is a cutting-edge drone designed for professional photographers and videographers. Featuring a triple camera system, it includes a 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad sensor and 2 additional telephoto lenses, 70mm and 166mm, allowing for stunning 5.1K video resolution and exceptional dynamic range. With omnidirectional obstacle sensing, the Mavic 3 Pro ensures safe flights, while APAS 5.0 and advanced return-to-home RTH functions enhance reliability. Its maximum flight time of up to 43 minutes lets you capture more content on a single charge. The Hasselblad Natural Color Solution, HNCS, delivers lifelike colors and professional-grade imaging, making it ideal for filmmakers and content creators. The drone's O3 Plus transmission system provides a 15-kilometer range for stable, high-quality live feeds. Designed for cinematic aerial shots, the DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the ultimate tool for those seeking unparalleled image quality, intelligent flight modes, and precision control in a compact, foldable form. Number 4. DJI Avatar 2. The DJI Avatar 2 is a next-generation FPV first-person view drone designed for thrill seekers and content creators looking to capture stunning high-speed aerial footage. Featuring an improved lightweight design and advanced obstacle detection, this drone delivers enhanced agility and safety, making it perfect for indoor and outdoor flights. Equipped with a super-wide 4K camera and stabilized gimbal, the Avatar 2 ensures crystal-clear video with smooth, immersive visuals. The updated O4 transmission system provides ultra-low latency and an extended range, giving pilots a seamless flying experience. Its powerful battery offers longer flight times, while intuitive motion controls allow for precise maneuvers. Designed for both beginners and experienced FPV pilots, the Avatar 2 offers an immersive flight mode, manual controls, and compatibility with DJI FPV goggles and motion controllers. Whether you're racing, exploring, or filming breathtaking aerial shots, the DJI Avatar 2 brings an unparalleled level of excitement and cinematic potential. Number 3. DJI Mini 3. The DJI Mini 3 is a lightweight, foldable drone designed for travelers, content creators, and drone enthusiasts who want professional quality aerial shots without the bulk. Weighing under 249 grams, it's perfect for hassle-free flying and bypasses many drone regulations worldwide. Equipped with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor, the Mini A3 captures stunning 4K HDR video and 12MP photos, ensuring vibrant, detailed imagery in various lighting conditions. Its innovative true vertical shooting mode allows you to shoot social media-ready content instantly. With an impressive 38-minute flight time, extended to 51 minutes with an intelligent flight battery plus, this drone lets you capture more footage without frequent recharges. Its wind resistance up to 38 km/h ensures stable flights even in challenging conditions. Designed for beginners and experienced users alike, the DJI Mini 3 features quick shot modes, automated flight paths, and simplified controls, making high-quality aerial photography more accessible than ever. Take your creativity to new heights with the DJI Mini 3. Number 2. DJI Avatar. The DJI Avatar is a cutting-edge first-person view FPV drone designed for high-speed, agile flying and immersive experiences. Built with a durable, lightweight frame and ducted propeller guards, it offers enhanced protection and resilience for indoor and outdoor flights. Equipped with a 48-megapixel, 1/7-inch CMOS sensor, the Avatar captures stunning 4K ultra-wide videos with exceptional clarity and vibrant colors. Its 155-degree field of view, FOV, provides an immersive perspective, making it perfect for action-packed aerial cinematography. The DJI O3 Plus transmission system ensures low latency, high-definition live streaming, keeping pilots in full control with a smooth, real-time feed. Paired with the DJI Goggles 2 and motion controller, the Avatar delivers an unparalleled, intuitive flying experience. With up to 80 minutes of flight time, advanced obstacle sensing, and built-in stabilization, this FPV drone is ideal for both seasoned pilots and beginners looking for an exciting cinematic flying adventure. Number 1. DJI Mavic 3 Classic. The DJI Mavic 3 Classic is a premium drone designed for photographers and videographers seeking professional-grade aerial imaging. Featuring a powerful 20-megapixel 4x3 CMOS Hasselblad camera, it delivers stunning image quality with 5.1K video recording and 12-bit RAW photos for exceptional detail and dynamic range. With an impressive 46-minute flight time, the Mavic 3 Classic allows extended creative sessions, while omnidirectional obstacle sensing ensures safe and smooth flights. Its advanced RTH, return to home, feature intelligently calculates the best route back, enhancing reliability. The O3 Plus transmission system offers up to 15 kilometers of HD video transmission, providing stable and clear live feeds. Its intelligent flight modes, including Active Track 5.0, Master Shots, and Hyperlapse, enable effortless cinematic shots. Perfect for professionals and enthusiasts alike, the DJI Mavic 3 Classic delivers high-end imaging capabilities in a compact foldable design, making it ideal for travel, filmmaking, and aerial photography. So guys, that's all for the top 5 best drones in English 2025. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more videos. We will meet in next video. Till then, take care, bye.